Do you have a favorite bird? We're going to find out during Unit 2, Marking Period 2 of our wildlife class. Welcome to week November 2nd through November 6th. We are going to begin a new topic, PA ornithology. So give yourself a star for watching this video so that you know what we are going to cover this week in class. The first thing that we're going to do in class is we are going to review the week, and we are also going to access our wildlife guided notes on basic bird characteristics for this unit, for the first couple of weeks of the unit. We are also going to take a look at the history of birds in Pennsylvania, and we are going to see how many birds you can actually identify in class on Monday. On Tuesday, when you are not with me, please make sure that you check your Schoology grade to make sure that you have completed all of your late work for Marking Period 1. Also on Tuesday, you should be watching a video from Cornell Lab University, Inside Birding, Size and Shape. If you click on this link, it will take you to the video, and then you can complete the questions on your wildlife guided notes. Wednesday is the last day of the marking period. It is also the last day to turn in any work from the first marking period. If you need to make up a learning check, test, or quiz Wednesday, you should click on this link and sign up for a time to meet me in Zoom so that you can make up the learning check, quiz, or test. Wednesday is the last possible day to turn in any work from the first marking period. Thursday, when I see you in class or Zoom, we're going to be reviewing Inside Birding, Size and Shape, and we're also going to be looking at birding color and pattern. Friday, on your own, you should be looking at the video Inside Birding and Behavior. You're going to watch the video and complete the questions on your wildlife guided notes. So this is our week, and hopefully by the end of this unit, you are going to have a favorite bird. See ya!